This is Synovate Productions.
Demons calling my name. Everywhere I go, I just can't escape. So much murder and pain. I'm hearing things that I just can't explain. Demons calling my name. Everywhere I go, I just can't escape. So much murder and pain. I'm hearing things that I just can't explain. Welcome to the gates, come hard like Viagra. Don't hesitate, real fast to attack ya, smack ya, left to right like the pipe. But you got no dope, no hope, and no right. Pass the mic to me, let me kill it instantly. No leaving evidence like a bloody murder scene. No witnesses, fingerprinted crime sprees. Stitches get stitches, don't be pointing at me. Watch what you speak, your ego straight lies. Straight lines, different crooks, us thugs take lives. Rhyme so sick, spit venom like a cobra. Fuck with my cash or dope, and I'll smoke ya. I told ya to hold your soul against your will. Demons screaming out, murder, kill, kill, kill. A thrill of it all to watch your victims fall. Don't hesitate when you hear the demons call. Demons calling my name. Everywhere I go, I just can't escape. So much murder and pain. I'm hearing things that I just can't explain. Demons calling my name. Everywhere I go, I just can't escape. So much murder and pain. I'm hearing things that I just can't explain. Kill them all, wipe the knife off. My lyrics hit you sick, bust your lip, break your. Believe everything that I saw. Demons follow me like angels follow God. Rocks in my socks, Glock in my hand. I ain't saying I'm the best, but I'm the fucking man. Like Spider-Man, without the wall crawling, I'm hitting every chain off and knocking out goblins. Hit him with my left, hit him with my right. Hope you like to get high, I'm about to take flight. Fight with my pen, but there's demons in my head. I see them, I hear them, I feel like I'm possessed. Cause I hear demons calling me. Kidnap, murder, robbery. I hear demons following. Everywhere I go, can't break free. You know, nasty. Savage loco. I look a whole loco. Mountain Avenue. You know.